Hello dear penguins, welcome back. Preparing for your Class 8 BLE final exams. You are on the right video. Save this video, because we are going to solve most important 100% sure question, step by step, from geometry. Guaranteed to ask in your final exam. So grab your notebook and pen, and let's master this together.
We have two straight lines, line LM and line PQ. Passing through them is a transversal line called AB, which intersects line LM at point E and line PQ at point F. We also have a dashed line segment connecting point E to point G. Notice the three given angles here. Angle 3x at vertex E, angle 80 degree inside vertex F, and angle 2x at vertex G. Take a good look at this whole figure. This is our complete setup.
We have to answer all the questions from this figure. Now, let's move this figure over to the right side so we have plenty of clear workspace on the left. We'll take our time and solve each sub-question one by one. Question A. Write the pair of co-interior angles from the given figure. Here, in the figure, highlight segment EF lies between the parallel lines LM and PQ, and this line EF is transversal. Co-interior angles are two angles on same-sided, interior angles on transversal, between parallel lines. So, yellow-colored angles, angle LEF and angle PFE, are pair of co-interior angles. Question B. Find the value of x. To find value of x, let's look into shaded triangle FEG. So, in triangle FEG, 3x plus 80 degree plus 2x equals 180 degree. Because sum of all angles of a triangle equals 180 degree. Here, 3x plus 2x equals 5x and 180 minus 80 is equal to 100. So, 5x equals 100, and 100 divide 5 is 20 degree. Therefore, x equals 20 degree. Hence, the value of x is 20 degree. And the angle 3x equals 3 times 20, 60 degree, and angle 2x equals 2 times 20, 40 degree. Thus, 60 plus 80 plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. Question C. For what value of angle MEG, two lines LM and PQ are parallel? This question is always asked, and it's a 100% sure question. To solve this, always start with let LM is parallel to PQ. Then angle MEG equals angle EGF, being alternate angles between LM parallel to PQ. Thus, angle MEG equals 40 degree. So, LM and PQ are parallel, when angle MEG equals 40 degree. In figure, you can see the value of angle MEG, and its alternate pair, angle EGF. These two angles must be equal for LM parallel to PQ. Dear penguins, I believe you learned and understood well today. Save this for future practice. Practice makes the man perfect. Here is the summary of answers for you. If you liked what you just watched, do subscribe Professor Penguin, and what do you want to learn in the next video? Let us know in the comment box below.